If you enjoy videos on SEO tools, keyword research, and digital marketing, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Looking for the best SEO 2026? Want to improve your Google rankings, keyword research, and website traffic? Then you need to check out this exclusive deal on Moz Pro. Right now, you can get 25% off your first year of Moz Pro, giving you access to powerful AI-driven SEO tools that help you find high-ranking keywords, analyze competitors, and grow your organic traffic faster. So what makes Moz Pro one of the best SEO tools for beginners and professionals? First, you get advanced keyword research tools to discover profitable keywords that drive targeted traffic to your website. Second, you can track your keyword rankings and monitor your SEO performance over time, so you always know what's working. Third, the site audit and crawler feature helps you identify technical SEO issues and fix them quickly to improve your search engine visibility. You also get on-page SEO optimization tools, backlink analysis, and competitor research. Everything you need in one platform. Now let's talk about pricing plans. The standard plan is perfect for beginners and small businesses who want essential SEO features like keyword tracking, site audits, and backlink analysis. The medium plan is the most popular option, offering higher limits, more keyword tracking, and advanced reporting tools for scaling your SEO strategy. And the large plan is designed for agencies and advanced users who need deep data, large-scale tracking, and maximum performance. No matter which plan you choose, Moz Pro helps you increase website traffic, rank higher on Google, and grow your online business faster. So if you've been searching for terms like best SEO tool, Moz Pro discount, SEO tools for keyword research, or how to rank on Google, this is exactly what you need. Don't miss this limited time 25% discount on Moz Pro. Check the link in the description and get started today. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on SEO, affiliate marketing, and online business growth.